at times by your blessing feel connected to God. Why you don't connected to me? Because I am blessing. I am giving blessing. I am giving blessings and you connected to the God. What is this? I tell you about this company, use Santulan oil and then you buy somebody's oil and massage. This is not right. I am able to have confidence in Him inside me. But then again, I lose that connection. What is the reason that keeps us apart? The mistake is this. If you believe in me, you bow down to me, you develop connection with me. Who is God there in between? Why He should come? Otherwise, He should give you some darshan or He should give you blessings and then you feel connected to Him. Then never it will break. I saw our master in front of me standing in the light and I was overwhelmed. I have not lost his connection till today. And we are, Om for example, I have some experience, 50 years, 70 years, we are singing Om. I have not gone to any other mantras and tantras, nothing. Because we don't get disconnected at all. But you will get disconnected because you do something and connect to something else. Isn't it? One person came to me and said, your staff, you are a therapist, is not loving. I said, what happened? How you know? He did not use oil and give you rough massage or what? He was giving oil massage and he kept boiling temperature in our steam box. No, it was massage was good, this, that. Then I said, you have come here to take massage or love? So why you are expecting love? You have paid for massage, get massage and go. So this is what is everywhere happening. We are doing something and expecting something else. You expect what you are wanting and do it again for that. If you don't do that, then you have always problems. So this is the same reason that keeps us apart. It is ego, laziness or routine. It is foolishness. So how can we achieve permanent contact? This is the way. And contact means, again, please understand that really we want the contact of the soul. We make shake hand, but why? The hands contact. Somebody came and wanted to make shake hand. And I said, wait, I have not washed my hand. I have just examined one patient having psoriasis. I want to wash. Wait. This I told afterwards when he complained, but he thought, why Balaji is not ready to make shake hand? I want to contact him. I said, it is the contact through the eyes or through the love. It is not the hand-body contact. But body contact is a representation. Just because we cannot express, we speak. We cannot express, we do physical actions. But if physical actions are not necessary, we don't know where God is, how God is, what God is. And then we want to serve Him. So we bring one flower from the garden and offer to Him. Flower was His business. He has made that flower. The smell in the flower also is because of Him only. And He is there, but you bring it there. And I don't know if He really, and somebody will say that, what is this all that you are offering flowers to the stone? But I say that people should understand, and the Indian philosophy or the Indian, here the Rishis, our great scientist, spiritual scientist, they were able to see the soul of a stone also. Therefore they were worshipping stone. And they knew stone is a stone. But you are a person, you are a man, woman, or English, German, French, Indian, African, doesn't matter. They see a soul inside. So that is the equality what we are talking about. So we should love to do this, and therefore this courage to worship a stone means somebody is able to contact the soul. He has this courage to see the soul in a stone also, and then it is a stone. Suppose somebody says that why you are only a small stone, I will make a nice statue. Naturally, you will make a statue like the person only. Nobody knows if Vishnu has really the same figure and 4 hands. But to show that he is superior to us, we make 4 hands. And the energy increases, so our Durga has 18 hands. We need 10 girls in the dance to show Durga, standing behind each other, everybody, so to show they can show 18 hands or whatever. So the idea is that please, you understand that God is felt, God is something great, God is mercy, God means blessing. Blessings are to be given means what? We only say blessings. Blessing means actually the work he has to do, but we have a recommendation. And then it is okay, but you don't either connect to the God, neither to the person who bless you, or see in his soul God, and then the problem comes.